adding elements to an array has several different options, okay? And two ways allow us to add to either to the end of the list or to the beginning of the list. To add to the end, we're going to use a method called array.push. And the way this works is like this. If we've got the fruits array again, boy, you're going to get tired of seeing these fruit. But if we've got this fruits array, and I want to push or I want to add watermelon to that at the end of that list, then I'm going to say fruits. Notice I'm using the name of the array, dot push, and I'm going to give it the value that I want to add as an argument. So that goes inside the parentheses, and that will give us the new array that looks like this. So that is how you would use push in theory. Let's take a look at it in code. So if I wanted, instead of replacing orange like we did with the direct replacement or the modifying that, let's say I want to say add cherry to the end. So I have a longer array or a 4-member array here. I'll say fruits dot push, and we're going to put cherry in the parentheses as an argument to push here, and then we'll print the results. So there is my new array. You can see cherry has been added to the end. So that is how push works in code, and push is always going to add to the end. Okay,